When we look at the side of our brothers from Lao, it's a very sad news. Grief as Lao loses two prominent politicians. Two important politicians have been lost in Lao sub-region. Our brothers and sisters in Lao are in a mourning state. Lao region is mourning two prominent political leaders who both died on Sunday due to natural disease, according to report. Mike Ogwal, the chairperson or mayor of Lira City Division, was pronounced dead on Sunday evening at Mulago Cancer Institute, where he had suffered cancer-related illness for close to 7 months. Acholi, who previously served as presidential guard commando in the Obote regime, also served as clan head, which is locally known in Luo that Awitao. In Lao, they call clan head Awitao of Pedishungkal clan, which is one of the clan in Lao Cultural Institution. He served as LC3 chairperson in Uganda Division, now annexed to Lira City, from 2001 to 2006, before he abandoned that level to contest Lira municipality mayorship, which he never succeeded in the many times he contested. On the other side, a third person, a prominent person also, who passed away that very Sunday is by the name Adiebo Ye, the Secretary of Health and Education at Lira City West Division, announced on Monday that the burial is set for Friday, October 20th, 2023 at Ngera in Lira City East Division. The news of his demise broke 5 hours. The news of his demise broke 5 hours later when Lao region had just received an announcement of the death of Betty Akoli, the former Akoli district LC5 chairperson. Akoli, the wife of Lao Cultural Foundation Prime Minister Richard Nam, reportedly died of hypertension and diabetes at her residence at Senior Quarters, Lira City West Division. She served as district chairperson of Akoli district from 2016 to 2021 when she sought re-election and lost to Andrew Moses Awan. Her burial is fixed to Saturday in Alur sub-county, Akoli district. Now, the Luo Online wishes the family of these two great Lao giants strength and God's love during the time of hardship of the loss of their loved one. And also, may the souls of these two Luo giants rest in eternal peace. Amen.
I just can't believe what has happened now. The mayor of Lira City West is gone. A father, a leader, and a good friend is gone. Michael Gwalachon. In a rap jaguar. Michael Gwalachon. Rest in peace. Our mayor Lira City West. Butikuj Warre dutiako Utini pashu mede jo adon dutiako Lira City tiako Lange dutiako Para tela ber wala shon pingo warra tura Gune Lira City chung balatin kao Luako kero geno yeri pe mio jo tuetao Don ipe iwa kaj porom mwenye nakalao Karato pura tela wao ko kere dao Michael Gwalachon, rest in peace. Our man Lira City West, Butikuj. Michael Gwalachon, rest in peace. Our man Lira City West. Michael Gwalachon don't love kelo we lange pewile Yobo lera bas pa kachel with your pewile Puru loka yo apoli yo juena with your pewile Gero Saint Mary School mio duongo tina polo kwano Ikonyo loak ja pola bon parawat Me beda por me atela beda woro banga Ibedo naka poindino yabo kanisa St. Jude Ametie jinya camp Oba pinge kwanyo Mike mirne weke wa Achue pinge kwanyo meya mirne weke wa Oba pinge kwanya tela mirne weke wa Karatindo ngalo pirwa Michael Gwalachon Rest in peace. Our man Lira City West. Butikuj Michael Gwalashon, rest in peace. Our man later City West Butikuj Angeo late etumiero kanyo Talk wala tela wa Michael Gwalashon Mea dong pe etu bedroom attack poor when you gan